And we shall start the questions number third. Let us start with the third question. Students, the question is find the equation of the circle whose center is HK. Find the equation of a circle whose center is HK and first part is touching x-axis. Circle is touching x-axis and second part is circle is touching y-axis. Now let us see. Now students, as I told you earlier that let us make a diagram. If a circle touches x-axis, now this is the diagram when a circle touches x-axis like this. Now the center is HK. When the circle touches x-axis, then radius is equal to y coordinate. I told you in the beginning, when a circle touches x-axis, then radius equal to y coordinate, and when a circle touches y-axis, then center is HK and radius equal to x coordinate, means radius equal to h. So keep this point in your mind that when a circle touches x-axis, then radius is equal to y coordinate. When a circle touches x-axis, then radius equal to y coordinate, and when a circle touches y-axis, then radius equal to x coordinate. Now the equation of circle will be, now center is HK and radius is k, so equation of circle will be x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to k square, like this. So solving it, we get x square plus h square minus of 2xh y square plus k square minus 2ky equal to k square. So solving it, we get cancelling k square with k square. So x square plus y square minus of 2xh minus of 2ky plus h square equal to 0. So this is the equation of first part when circle touches x-axis. Now similarly, when the circle touches y-axis, over here this diagram, center is HK and radius is h. So equation of circle will be, equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to h square, like this. So solving, x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus of 2ky equal to h square, cancelling h square with h square. So we get x square plus y square minus of 2xh minus of 2ky plus k square equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Now the fourth question, find the equation of the circle touching both the axes and whose radius is 5. Now students, in this question, circle is touching both the axes. Now let us make the diagram to make it clear. Now circle is touching both the axes. So if the circle is touching both the axes, then there are 4 cases possible. Either circle touches both the axes in first quadrant, or in second quadrant. Circle may touch both the axes in second quadrant, or circle may touches the axis in third quadrant, or circle may touches the axis in fourth quadrant, like this. Because in this question radius is 5. Now students, if the radius is 5, I told you in the beginning that if a circle touches both the axes, then radius and coordinates of center are same. So if radius is 5, then coordinates of center will be 5 5. On this side radius will be same, radius is 5, but coordinates of center will be -5 and 5, because in second quadrant x is negative and y is positive, and in the third quadrant radius is 5 and coordinates of center will be -5 and -5, and in the fourth quadrant radius is same and coordinates of center will be 5 and -5, like this. So students, equations will be, so equations of circles, so there are 4 cases possible. So equations of circles will be, so first equation will be x minus 5 whole square, because center is hk and radius is 5. So x minus 5 whole square, y minus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. So this is the first equation. Second one will be over here, x plus 5 whole square, y minus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. Then third will be x plus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. And number 4 will be x minus 5 whole square, y plus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. So these are the 4 equations. Students, you can open the bracket and solve the equation. देखो मैं एक करके दिखाता हूँ. Suppose I solve the first one. So we get like this: x square plus 25 minus of 10x, y square plus 25 minus 10y equal to 25. So cancelling 125 with this, so we get x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. Similarly, we can solve the other equations also. Now students, question number 5, find the equation of the circle touching both the axes and circle passes to the point 6 3. Now students, here we will take only one case, because the circle passes to the point 6 3. It means circle lies in first quadrant, because point is 6 3. So we take only one case, because circle passes through 6 3. So this is the point 6 3. Now because circle touches both the axes, so here radius and center will be same. So coordinate of center will be AA and radius will be A. Center and coordinate of radius are same. So now let us do this question. So equation will be x minus a whole square, y minus a whole square equal to a square. Solving this, x square minus 2ax y square plus a square minus 2ay equal to a square. Now cancelling a square with a square, so we get x square plus y square minus 2ax minus of 2ay plus a square equal to 0. Now it passes through 6 3. It passes through 6 3. So putting x equal to 6 and y equal to 3, so we get 6 square plus 3 square minus 2a into 6, 2a into 3 plus a square equal to 0. So this is 36, this is 9, minus 12a minus 6a plus a square equal to 0. So what we get, a square minus 18a plus 45 equal to 0. On making the factors, we get a minus 15 and a minus 3 equal to 0. So we get a equal to 15 and a equal to 3. So putting the value of a over over here. So this is number 1. So putting a equal to 3 and a equal to 15 in number 1. Let us see over here. So when we put a equal to 3, so over here equation becomes x square plus y square minus 6x minus of 6y plus 9 equal to 0. When we put a equal to 3, the equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, and then we put a equal to 15. So what we get? X square plus y square minus, over here I am putting a equal to 15, so this becomes 30x minus 30y plus 225 equal to 0. This is the second equation. So students, I hope this is clear to you. Now students, question number 7. Find the equation of the circle having its center at the point of intersection of these two circles. The center of the circle lies on the point of intersection of these two circles, and circle passes through the origin. Let us make a rough diagram to understand this question. Now this is the origin. So circle passes through the origin like this. Circle passes through the origin like this, and its center lies on the point of intersection of two lines. Suppose this is the first line. This is the rough diagram, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and this is the second line, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the point of intersection of these two lines, and this is the center, origin. So first of all we solve these two equations. हम सबसे पहले इन दोनों equations को solve करते हैं to find the center. So multiply this equation by 3 and 2. So we get 6x minus 9y plus 12 equal to 0. 6x plus 8y minus of 10 equal to 0. Minus minus plus cancel out. Minus 17y plus 22 equal to 0. So y is 22 upon 17. This is the value of y. Right? Now find the value of x. So putting this value of y in first equation, equal to minus 4. 2x equal to minus 4 plus 66 upon 17, or 2x equal to minus 68 plus 66 upon 17. So we get minus 2 by 17, and x equal to minus of 1 by 17. So students, the coordinate of center are minus 1 by 17 and 22 by 17. Right? Now let us find the radius. Now this is the radius of the circle if I join this point. So to find the radius equal to minus 1 by 17 minus 0 whole square plus 22 upon 17 minus 0 whole square. Because if I join the center O, if I join the center C with O, then this is the radius. Now coordinate of center अभी हमने फाइंड किए हैं, वो कितने हैं? माइनस 1 by 17 और 22 by 17. And coordinate of origin we know they are 0 0. So if I apply distance formula over here, then easily I can find out the radius r. So applying distance formula to find the length OC. So this is the distance formula I am applying. So this is 1 upon 289 plus 484 upon 289 under root. So this is equal to 485 upon 17. So this is the radius, right? Now students, equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. R square is 485 upon 289, like this. Now solving it, so x square plus 1 upon 289 plus 2x upon 17, y square 484 upon 289 minus 2ab 44y upon 17 इक्वल्स टू में आएगा हमारे पास 485 अपॉन 289. So we get x square 2x upon 17 44y upon 17 equal to 485 upon 289 minus 1 upon 289 minus of 484 upon 289, like this, right? Now so we get x square plus y square plus 2x upon 17 plus 44y upon 17 equal to, when I solve it, we get 485 minus 485 upon 289. So these get cancelled, we get 0 over here. So our final answer will be x square plus y square plus 2x upon 17 plus 44y upon 17 equal to 0. And if we want to take LCM, we can take LCM. So we get 17 of x square, 17 of y square plus 2x plus 44y equal to 0. Take LCM, take LCM. So we get the equation 17x square plus 17y square plus 2x plus 44y equal to 0. So students, this is the solution of this question. Now 7th question, second part, find the equation of circle having center 1 2. Now here center is like this, the center of the circle is 1 minus 2 now, and intersection, and the circle passes through the intersection of two lines. Now there are two lines given to us, right? First line is 3x plus y equal to 14, and second is 2x plus 5y equal to 18. The circle passes through the intersection of these two lines. So solving these two lines first, multiply this by 2 and this equation by 3. So we get 6x plus 2y equals to 28. 6x plus 15y equal to 54. Minus 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 cancel out. So minus 13y equal to minus of 26. So we get y equal to 2. When y equal to 2, so we get the value of x also. So 3x plus y equal to 14. Y is 2. So 3x equal to 12. It implies x equal to 4. So this point is 4 2. The point of intersection is 4 2. Suppose this is point P and this is C. So point P की जो coordinate है वो हमारे पास आ जाएंगे 4 2. Now let us find the radius. So if I join, suppose this is the center, if I join these two, if I join point C center with P, so this is the radius. ये हमारे पास बन जाएगी radius. So let us find radius. Radius equal to CP, and this is equal to, apply distance formula, 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square. So 9 plus 16 under root, this is 5. So radius is 5, friends. So center is 1 minus 2 and radius is 5. So equation is x minus 1 whole square y plus 2 whole square equal to r square. R is 5. So 5 square. So what we get, x square plus 1 minus 2x y square plus 4 plus 4y equal to 25. So solving it, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus of 20 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. Now students, let us start with the 8th question. The question is, find the equation of the circle which passes through 2 points on x-axis which are at a distance of 4 units from the origin. Now we have 2 points on the x-axis which are at a distance of 4 units. So if this distance is 4, this distance is 4, and this distance is also 4. So if I take this distance as 4, so coordinate of this point will be 4 0, and if I take this distance as 4, so coordinate of this will be minus 4 0. So we have 2 points, 4 0 and minus 4 0, and radius is 5. So we know the general equation, x square plus y square plus square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now it passes through 4 0. So we have 16 plus 0 plus 4z plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So we get 4g plus c equal to minus 16. This is the first equation, right? Similarly, it passes through minus 4 0. So we get 16 plus 0 minus of 4z plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So what we get, minus 4z plus c equal to minus 16. This is number 2. So 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 4g plus c equal to minus 16 minus 4g plus c equal to minus 16. So solving it, cancelling 4g with 4g, we get 2c equal to minus 32. So c equal to minus of 16. हमारे पास c की वैल्यू आ गई है. So 4g plus c equal to minus 16. Putting the value of c, so minus 16 equal to minus 16. So 4g equal to 0 and g is also equal to 0. Now next point is radius. Radius is 5. And we know the formula of radius. This is g square plus f square minus c under the root equal to 5. So what we get, g square plus f square minus c equal to 25. g is 0, f हमारे पास नहीं है, c is minus 16. So it becomes plus 16 equal to 25. So f square equal to 9 and f equal to plus minus 3. So this is the value of f equal to plus minus 3, right? Now, so therefore equations of circles are, there will be 2 equations. Number 1 is x square plus y square. g is 0, आपने यहाँ पुट करना है इसमें, g is 0, f is 3, so 6y and c is minus 16. So this is the first equation, x square plus y square plus 6y minus 16, and second will be x square plus y square. Now in this case we take f minus 3, so this will be minus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. So I write over here c is minus 16, g is 0 and f is 3. And in second case we put c equal to minus 16, g is 0 and f equal to minus of 3, like this. So these are the two equations of the circles. Now students, I hope this is clear to you.